I actually am a snorer. I don't like to admit it, but I am. I'm a bartender in the East Village. I love the busyness of work until 4 o'clock in the morning. It's packed and it's fun, but when your head's ready to hit the pillow, it's ready to hit the pillow. When Annie first confronted me about my snoring, I definitely denied it, but every once in a while, I'll wake myself up mid-snore.
I would like a good night's sleep very badly. I'd say a hard 10.5 out of 10.
I was a little reluctant to wear the snoring relief band at first, but then when I realized that Annie was getting a full night of sleep, I've had a full turnaround.
I woke up surprised and happy the first night he wore it. The bedroom is 100% quieter.
Innovation in you. Philips.